Hey girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sherrell and I'm so glad to have you here today. If you watch a ton of deep cleaning videos, you are bound to tackle at least one space in your home. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. So comment down below if you are cleaning along with me, or just say what's up. Like this video before we get started, and let's get cleaning. So girlfriend, it's no secret because I've said it here before, but whenever I'm cleaning my room, I always like to start by making my bed first. And I like to wash my bedding on Wednesdays, but y'all, I am super excited to purchase some new bedding for the warmer months because these thick layers of blankets will have me sweating during these warm months, and that's not cute. So I know these blankets are not aesthetically pleasing, but it keeps me cozy, it keeps me warm while my husband sleeps with the fan on. So, spring cleaning and I are not the best of friends, which is why I try to tackle at least one space at a time. Today, I'll be tackling my master bathroom, but let me know, how do you schedule your deep cleaning? So since we are doing a deep clean, I'm going to start by grabbing these towels to give myself a weekend free of no laundry. Yes, God, no laundry for the weekend. So I decided to wash whatever was left in our laundry baskets, although I had already tackled our kids' laundry earlier in the week. But today was one of those days I had accomplished some tasks that I had been thinking about or leaning to do, so your girl was feeling herself. So after all this was done, I felt so good. But I hope that this motivates you to tackle some of the things that's on your list. But y'all, I am really excited to announce that this video is a collab with my good friend Gretchen, and I'll let her introduce herself here.
Hey guys, my name is Gretchen from Beautiful Mess, and I am a full-time working mom of 2 little ones. I am a wife, I am a homemaker, and I love everything that has to do with cleaning, organizing, decluttering. So over on my channel, you're going to find me sharing all of this kind of motivation with you, tips and hacks, anything that has to do with homemaking. So when you're finished watching Sherrell's video, I hope you'll head on over to my channel. I can't wait to see you there.
Gretchen is such a sweet and genuine person and has become such a good friend to me, and I know that you guys will love her. So I will make sure to have all her information linked in my description below. Okay, now that I placed my first load in the washing machine, I'm going to wipe down my washer and dryer using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent French Lavender. And fun fact, y'all, at Target, this product costs $3.29, but at Home Depot, it costs $2.97. So just a coin saving tip, girlfriends, it may be cheaper to get this product from Home Depot.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure.
If you are new here or coming from GRECHEN'S channel, hey girlfriend, my name is Sherrell and I'm so glad you found my channel. I'm a mom of 2 and my husband is Lyle. We live outside the city of Washington, D.C. I do lots of cleaning, home decor, organization type videos over here on my channel. If you are new, I love you to subscribe and say hey in the comments and introduce yourself. Over here, I have the best squad, my girlfriends of subscribers. We love chatting in the comments and getting to know each other, so make sure you say hey. And to all of my returning girlfriends, I'm so glad that you're here for another video. Let me know what's on your to-do list today, and hopefully we can tackle it together.
Making it happen, yeah, cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser.
Now we're in the master bathroom and it is not master in size, but we are thankful for what we got. So I'm going to clean all the surfaces as well as the bathtub. I'm even cleaning the shower, which I usually clean while in the shower, but this particular week was a busy one and it showed. But girlfriends, please extend me grace on my camera angles in here because it was not the easiest. And for those asking, why are you deep cleaning in jeans? Child, I don't even know, but I did get my right mind back and change into some leggings, which later you will see a full outfit change and you'll see why. Now typically in a bathroom of this size, I would get some shelf organizers that we can clearly see what's in there from Amazon, but since this underneath sink is only used by my husband to store his hair products and his clippers, since he cuts his own hair and our son's, which I absolutely love because it's little guy time that they're able to have, and Ethan, our son, only likes when his father cuts his hair. However, I just wanted to go ahead and give this area a good clean using some Clorox wipes.
I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
On the table, your turn to play.
So this tub has not been used since we moved into this home, and that is because of two things. One, I wanted to reward myself with a nice bubble bath. I have my salts and my facial mask above the tub, as you guys saw, and wanted to reward myself at least when I was done making over all of our bedrooms. And two, my husband is 5'9", and for someone that tall, this tub is too short. It is pretty much used for a person who is 5'3" like myself or shorter. Which leads to my question: how often do you reward yourself by giving yourself some type of self-care, whether it's a bubble bath or pedicures, whatever it is? How often do you do it, and what are some things that you do for self-care?
Everything's different, I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving, I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you
And just like that, we are back in the bathroom to wipe down the shelves above the toilet itself, and the shower.
Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, please just for once say that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah, or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to.
Y'all let me know, what is your favorite thing to watch or listen to while getting things done? Sometimes for me it is listening to a music, sermon, or a podcast. On this particular day, I was listening to Care Deeply podcast, but I'm on the early episodes, and the weekly conversations about care from a faith-based perspective has been extremely life-giving to me. It has reminded me that each of us have so many purposes, and I don't think there's just one, but give yourself permission to grab onto something that brings you joy and purpose no matter what. There's going to be ebbs and flows in life, but let your soul guide you to where you need to be and make your brain follow. Teach it to embrace it, accept it, because when we realize, when you realize, when I realize our worth and practice of self-love, all of a sudden we begin to see our purpose, gifts, and capabilities.
This is my win. I don't even care no more, yeah. How did we end? I bet this place, so much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reason?
I really wish my camera would have shown the dirt that was in the shower so that you guys could see what I was working with, but child, it was there. There was dirt in the shower. Trust your girl. So I'm going to use Mr. Clean Power Spray to give my shower a really good deep clean. Now, if you do not have the Mr. Clean Power Spray or CLR on hand, here's a quick tip that you can use to clean your shower, especially if you have shower tile, and that is to use Dawn dish soap and white vinegar. You just do a 1 part to 1 part mixture and place that in a spray bottle. You spray that on and let it sit for 5 minutes, and you do the same thing with scrubbing the mixture into the tile, and then you just rinse it. And I promise you that you will like the turnout of your shower as well. So that's just another quick tip if you're looking for another way to clean your shower.
Cause I don't wanna remember you.
Now, I said in my last video that I watch other YouTube cleaning videos for tips and tricks, and using the Comet Soft Cleanser to clean my shower base was one I got from my girl Gretchen. She always cleans her bathroom with this product, and I never considered picking up this cleaning product, but I am so glad that I did because I didn't have to do a heavy amount of scrubbing. So thanks so much, girlfriend, for recommending this product.
This is my win. I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
Feel like I was free.
Now, I function best on a weekly cleaning routine because I easily get overwhelmed trying to do it all in a day or 2 or sometimes 3. But this is one of the reasons why I love this community. You all allow me to be vulnerable because we're not comparing ourselves, simply because we know that we are all doing the best that we can, and any kind of support that we can share is incredible and so needed. When deep cleaning, I try to work from the top to the bottom. Of course, watching this, I realized I forgot to clean the window, but I've done the shelves, all the surface areas, and things like that. But now that I've got all the other areas clean, I'm moving on to the baseboards, which is definitely my least favorite part of spring cleaning. I don't have young knees anymore, y'all, and I should try searching for cleaning tools to help with cleaning baseboards, but I'm using the Mr. Clean product again for a deeper clean so that I'm not having to be longer on my knees than I want. However, during this time, my AC was not working and the house reached up to 80 degrees, so I turned off the unit, put in a new filter, and turned it back on, and nothing seemed to work. Law was taking care of things at work, and I ended up turning on the fans, and to keep me from being an irritated mom, I just kept on cleaning because I knew I was almost done with this space. So those wet marks you see on my shirt are nothing but my hard work wet marks, aka, girl, I was sweating. We are almost at the finishing stretch of this video and almost done with cleaning this bathroom. Oh my god, the taste of victory was so sweet. But I'm going to go ahead and disinfect my doors by using Clorox wipes and also my light switches. And when I tell you that I was so glad that I was listening to the Care Deeply podcast, it really helped me keep a peace of mind, because I had every right to be frustrated. I had every right to be angry because I was hot and sticky and uncomfortable. But I was reminded of a thought that a girlfriend had once shared, is that when anger, frustration, or anxiety rises, is to say a prayer. And what that does is that it forces us to no longer put attention to the things that we cannot control, but it shifts our focus to the hand who can handle it all. And let me tell you, having a peace of mind while I was in discomfort, it allowed me to appreciate the rain, because once I appreciated the rain, I'm telling you, my AC turned back on. And when I felt that cold air, I did a happy dance, and I was just so thankful that I chose to have a thankful spirit instead of an ungrateful one. If I would have just stayed in my frustration because of how I felt in a moment.
Spend all the roses with me. from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You have absolutely no idea how much I do. If you are folding laundry with me, oh my goodness, girlfriend, you get a gold star, because you already know your girl does not like folding laundry. It is my absolute least favorite thing to do, but we are tackling things, we are getting things done, and I'm almost done with this laundry, and I'm going to go ahead and put the laundry up, and then after that I'm going to vacuum my floors clean. I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for watching this entire video. It really means the world to me, and I just love that you guys support me and you watch my videos, and I really do hope that it brought you tons of cleaning motivation and inspiration just for your everyday life. I hope that you are encouraged and inspired to tackle something in your own home. If you did enjoy this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. That always helps my channel. And make sure that you check out my girl Gretchen's video for more cleaning motivation. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful.